Video 940, BFJ 230, we're making a game engine, and oh god, we're on the fast code review. We gotta go fucking fast, okay? The source code is here, let's fucking go. In the bomb area function section, in bomb area unit test main, we've added a little bit more logic. We have the mini-sim index, mini-sim tile, and the v16 bomb tile value. So the index of our tile, the one-dimensional representation of this, and then the actual tile value at this address, aka this address. Okay, we're gonna loop through every single simulation case that is paired with the bomb category, and we're gonna go down here and we're gonna seed the simulation. We're gonna loop through every single simulation tile. We're gonna grab the index of the tile and pull out the current tile in our input-output key. So the index goes into the input-output key, we get out the tile type, and if that tile type is between 10 and 150 inclusive, then we have a bomb tile that we want to put into our simulation here. So the index should be between 0 and 16 times 16 minus 1, otherwise we are out of bounds. We'll throw this error. Otherwise, we're going to take this bomb tile and we're going to put it into our simulation, okay? Then we're going to run our simulation. Once the simulation has been seeded, go through every single tile, get out the index of the current tile, and then pull out the tile value that is inside the simulation using the simulation index. If that tile value is not between, if the index is not between this bound here, if it's not, then we're out of bounds, we're going to throw an error. Otherwise, if we're in bounds, we're going to make sure the tile is between 10 and 150 inclusive. If it is, we're going to take the tile value and we're going to divide it by 10 to get the actual bomb v16 value. If that bomb v16 value is not between 1 and 16 minus 1 inclusive, then we have a problem. We have an invalid bomb index. We did something wrong with our scaling. Okay, then we're going to explode the bomb in another video to, like, you know, run the simulation. Once we've ran the simulation, we'll check that the outcome of the simulation was correct. Okay, down here is what we did previously in our footnotes and stuff. We don't have time to go over that. You'll have to check out the code if you want to see that. You've been on the fast code review. For a longer, more in-depth code review, you'll have to go here, and then tech demos only are here. Long tech demos are here, and do whatever the fuck you want with this code, okay? The license is do whatever the fuck you want, okay? So I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry Bomberman MMO. If you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. Like and subscribe. My name's Kanji Coder. Like and fucking subscribe.